We're gonna walk off dinner. Corbin made a delicious pasta. I fixed my shoes that I've had for about 4 years. Foot bath I gave myself. My feet feel so good right now. Already 100 degrees. We got the mailman over here taking a smoke break. Oh yeah, and turn the corner and get that warm freeway wind. Ugh. It reminds, it's coming from Portland. What are you talking about? I have lived in the Pacific Northwest just about my entire life, and my favorite berries are black currants. I suppose we should go. There's probably critters wanting to come down here and eat and drink. I could live out here forever. What?
Those headphones been there forever.
Okie dokie. You guys, the feeling of the sun on my skin is so much different than like it used to be. It's like I feel it more instantly scorching instead of taking its time to seep in. I don't know if that makes sense. Insulting. How can it be dry and humid at the same time? Doesn't make sense. Yeah, this sun is not good. I can feel my skin burning. I've got stuff in my shoe. We definitely have to go home now. And then I walk into my complex and get a big whiff of cigarette smoke right in my face. I hate that. It's gonna be a pretty sunset. Cloud cover just came in, and now it feels like we're in Florida. I'm sorry. I couldn't help it. I gotta switch it up sometimes. Editing gets boring and redundant. Hey son, does it feel thick out here? I don't know, maybe if you run, that thick blanket of humid air will cool you off. And then again, maybe it'll give you a heart attack. How does that happen? We're so thirsty. We're melting. We're melting. Wow. We're sweating. You shut your mouth right now. You don't tell anybody. We're out of here. Not me. Don't tell me that's a body. Nope, not a body. It's a lot of trash. I don't like that. That's the first thing I see. Boo. There's a lot of people living down there. They need a place to live. I swear to God, I just saw my high school boyfriend drive by in a car that I haven't seen for 30 years plus, maybe? Eek. I want a plushie.
No.
Dang. That is a hot sun. Why it change colors and stuff, you guys? Their super alarm went off and holy shit, a red sun. I'm leaving on a jet plane. Oops. Let me go. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Like a rainbow in the dark. Look at that. That's kind of cool, actually. I know I'm a total dork, but look at, isn't that pretty? I like it out here. Maybe only because my son's got the groceries. The plane, boss, the plane. Going outside again, I can already tell that, yeah, it's foggy out here. Is that better? No, crap. I need a new phone. Summer edition Red Bull. Oh my, that's delicious. Except it tastes too much like a margarita. Yeah, my camera's running out of storage and getting grainy. If I can run up here. Getting stronger. If I don't lose my shoes. Oof. Whew. Ah, come on, let's go. Those mosquitoes are coming out.
Right here.
Ugh. It bit me like mosquito. Baby frog, 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 frog. That thing is so warm.